Hello, it's Scott from Jersey Cape Yacht Sales, and I'm going to give you a quick preview of the 37 Bahama that we're going to have on display here at the Atlantic City Boat Show. Please stop by our booth, number 27, to schedule a private showing and also sea trials. We are outside the show this year, so we are able to run the boat every day during the show to whoever would be interested. It is an incredible running boat. Highly recommend that you do so. Have seating with a cooler. Come up, nice electronics. Overhead. Door that closes and locks. Joystick, zip wakes. Every Bahama has the hatch to the hard top. Beefed up supports. As you come forward, you'll have forward seating with storage, a large box, forward seat with a cooler, all heavy duty, all clean hardware. That's our head with rod storage. Mirror into the panel. And again, all your hardware is top notch. Fastenless, even on the hinges. Large live well in the back. And as they construct a heavy-duty boat, this is the door laid up with extreme laminate, and look at the hinge. Again, the 37 Bahama, an incredible boat. This one was powered with 300s. You can do 400s. She cruises well. We brought her up in a northeast swell today. Super dry boat. So hopefully we'll see you aboard this week at the Atlantic City In-Water Boat Show.